Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about spiders. I'm going to do my best to make this as concise, to the point, value packed as possible, because when I was looking for this type of video about how to get rid of spiders, I couldn't find everything in one package, and so I wanted to make a video that really laid out exactly what you do step by step to make sure you get rid of house spiders. In the process of getting rid of spiders in our own home, I actually came to appreciate spiders. I'll tell you why at the end of the video, but at the beginning I definitely did not. My husband and I both just do not like spiders, and we wanted to do everything in our power to get rid of them from our place. We moved into a rental about a month and a half ago that had hundreds of spiders living here. One problem that we're having is that we have a ton of spiders. Ted is on a spider killing mission right here, and I'm just bringing him some gear.
There's one too fast for Dad.
No, not too fast for me.
That one in there.
What? You didn't got
Oh man,
No,
that's a
they're
huge
coming
one.
in from like the bottom of the
pipes.
pipes? The piping?
Good. We did a lot of research to make sure that we were doing everything possible to get rid of spiders in our home. So hopefully this can be a step-by-step guide for you if you're facing the same issue or even just a minor issue of a few spiders in your home, a step-by-step guide to make sure that you keep spiders out, living in nature where they're supposed to be and not inside your premise. All right, so step number one is to remove all spider webs and cobwebs, and that includes the areas that you can't maybe see with your naked eye. So a good idea is to take a flashlight, look in the corners of your rooms, make sure there are no cobwebs there, and then vacuum the rooms. Vacuuming removes cobwebs that you can't see on the carpet, as well as removes eggs and any tiny baby spiders that might be in there. All right, number two, you're going to want to plant outside if you can mint plants, and also bring inside of your home mint plants and mint essential oils. Other essential oils that are good are lemon and eucalyptus, but mint is the gold standard. Spiders hate mint, so if you bring peppermint oil or mint oil of any kind into your home and put it in the areas, in the cracks in the foundation, on the windowsills and the doorways that you think spiders might be getting into, it's a great way to do as much as you can as to prevent new spiders from coming in. Another thing that spiders do not like are chestnuts. So if you want to, you can buy chestnuts at the store, package them into little satchels, and put them in every corner of every room. The next thing that we did was to lay down glue traps. We actually acquired these glue traps from a pest control expert that came to our home because our property manager finally was convinced to send somebody to help us deal with the spiders. They put glue traps in every room just to see what kind of spiders that we were catching, what we were dealing with, and to assess what areas were most problematic. Here's a trap from our garage. I hesitate to even look at it. Oh my gosh, what is inside here? Zaba! Yeah, some big ones. The glue traps are just sticky pieces of paper that trap the spiders and other insects inside so that you can see what kind of insects that you're dealing with, which is good because certain spiders have different patterns of behavior and you want to know what type of spider that you're dealing with. There are a couple of other gadgets that you can purchase on Amazon. One is a vacuum sucker for insects that sucks things up. If you don't have a vacuum hose that could do that, because a vacuum does the same thing. Another thing that you can pick up is a high frequency machine that is supposed to emit a frequency that insects, mice, rodents, all of those things do not like and apparently stay clear of. I did not go as far as to purchase these things, but you can take this step and do this as well. I've linked the products in the description if you want to check them out. All right, the next step is to keep the lights on. This might sound weird, but spiders do not like light. They are trying to come in to hide and to get a dark space to mate. That's likely why they're coming into your home. They want to find their mate and make babies in your home. You don't want that, so keep the lights on. In the basement, that's where we had most of the problem issues. We just kept the basement lights on for a good few days. It is not energy efficient, but it really helped to keep the pest problem under control. Next, if you want to go this far, acquire a cat. Cats eat spiders. Spiders don't like cats. Cats can do the trick of keeping spiders out of your home. We did not go this far, but it is something you can do. Okay, next step is very important. That's to seal all of the places where spiders might be coming into your home. For us, there was a doorway in the basement that had large cracks, and we're sure that spiders and other insects were coming in through this. So we sealed off this. Sealing and caulking is what the pest experts really recommend doing. When the pest control expert came to our home, he sprayed the exterior of our home with a spider repellent, and we picked up an extra bottle of the spider repellent to do some extra cracks around our deck. He also recommended sealing and caulking. So what pest control experts do for spiders generally is spray and then seal. Next step that's really important is to remove all of the debris or anything that is a place for hiding in and around your home, because spiders love to take shelter in things like that. So if there are firewoods or even garbage cans close to your home, move those away, sweep them up so the spiders don't have a place to hide. And the final thing to do, of course, is hire a pest control expert. I actually think that we probably did 75% of the work and the pest control expert did 25% in spraying the exterior of our house. So there is a lot that you can do without pest control people involved, but when all else fails, call the experts. So that concludes my list of things to do. We did most of all of those things that I told you about, and we are now spider free. We only see them on the outside of our home. We live in an area where spiders are abundant, so they're just a part of life. We just don't want them coming into our home. And when they do come into our home, now that we've got control of the situation, we carefully remove them into where they cannot come back instead of killing them. At first, when we first moved in, it was just us trying to reclaim the space by getting rid of them as much as possible. But now we friendly rehome them and consider them friends. And I'll tell you why. I think we actually kind of came to like spiders after all of this rigmarole that we went through. Spiders do not carry any diseases. Unlike flies that do carry nasty things, spiders do not. So they're actually a friend to you because they eat the flies. They also eat wasps, which are good for no one. I don't know why we have wasps, but spiders control wasps by catching them in their web. So because of all of the exposure therapy we had in dealing with spiders, and because of all the good things spiders do, spiders are now a friend to me. But if you want to prevent them from coming into your home, I hope you got great value out of this video. Please like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new and want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.